Housing Dataset. So we'll go step by step, part by part, just walk you through with all the tools and technology that we have implemented and give a glimpse of how it looks. Starting with part 1, repository data and versioning. We have set up a Git repository for code versioning and data versioning, and also have structured it in very cleanly to store codes, configurations and dependencies separately. We are also using DBC for data versioning. Yeah, so this is the repository, how it looks. Coming to the part 2, model development experiment tracking. So we are using MLOPs for model tracking. We are training 2 models, decision tree and linear regression. This is the metric MSE, mean squared error. We are selecting the best model out of this, and the best model is registered automatically here and pushed to production. This is whichever is the latest. So all this is automated in MLflow. It's automated in the backend and visible on the MLflow. Now coming to the part 3, API and Docker packaging. We have set up Docker for containerizing the service. This is the Docker hub where we are pushing the image, and we also have Flask for fast API. So this front end will help you get information on all the metrics, allow you to input your features as a JSON, and will basis those input it will predict the value of the house. So for example, for this particular house, age is 41, average rooms are 6, average bedroom is 1, and so on, and the predicted value is coming as 3.82. We are also using Fidelity for validation, and we also have option to upload the file right here, and once you upload the file you have option to retrain the model. So you can retrain the model and then predict the value again. So it's everything on the go on fast API. Coming to CI/CD GitHub action, we have also set up GitHub actions for this MLflow pipeline. So every time you push a code, everything the code is minted and log testing is done before pushing it to production. So all these steps all the steps are checked for each production push. Now also we have pushed it to Docker Hub as I showed earlier, right? And we have also deployed it on EC2. So we are using EC2 configuration and Docker commands to run the service on EC2. We are also creating, coming to part 5, we are also creating logs and SQLDB files to track the predictions, track the inputs, and also any errors whenever and wherever they happen. We've also exposed the endpoint for monitoring, which we'll see in this part, bonus 1, where we have to do input validation using telemetry that I already showed in Flask API. We have also integrated prompt house to create a sample dashboard. So as I said, we have exposed the endpoint metrics. So this is the prompt house front end that we have created, and using this prompt house as a backend data, we have created a Grafana dashboard. So this is a very basic dashboard, but yeah, these are interlinked and deployed. As I showed in our in our Flask API, we have option to upload the data and then retrieve the data as and when required. Yeah, that's the overall walkthrough of the process. Thank you.